The opposition parties have demanded that the INEC chairman resigns. And if he doesn't resign before 2027 elections, what do you think should be the plan B of the opposition party?
We will resign him.
How?
That is how it will work.
How will you resign him?
He will resign. If he does not resign, we'll have to resign him to ensure that he leaves. He has to leave. If he doesn't leave, he will ensure that the will of the people must prevail. It is up to Amupitan to choose. Do you want to stand with the part of constitutionality? Do you want to start with the part of legality? Do you want to stand with the people? Or you want to play and support the interest of criminal elements in power? If Amupitan does not resign, Nigeria should ensure that they resign him. He must resign. It is up to the people to put pressure and ensure that he must go. It is not this protest we do, say one day you do, one day you go. By the time they see 10,000 people living with Amupitan as the front of INEC gate, there will be no even road for him to pass into the office. He will just voluntarily leave the place. But whatever it is, I continue to insist. If Amupitan leaves, the person who will come will still come from Tinubu. Ensure as Nigerians that you are able to put pressure. Let us calculate the entire people who are supposed to rig election. Let us calculate the entire people holding Nigeria hostage. How many persons are in the National Assembly? How many persons are in the executive arm of government? Let's give the entire political class 20 or 30,000 human beings. As against how many? INEC voter register alone for 2022 had more than 87 million people who collected PVCs. So 87 million people cannot ensure an Amupitan resignation. Is that what is going to happen? 87 million people cannot ensure that their votes must count. How many votes took Tinubu to the villa, according to Mahmoud Yakubu? The people who voted against you are more than people who voted for you. If you add the votes of Atiku Obi and Kwankwaso, so you are an unpopular government. You cannot superimpose on Nigerians. Nigerians must liberate themselves through a peaceful, democratic, free and fair process without any alterations.